This is how you can change your Facebook password. This is necessary to keep your profile out of the hands of hackers. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. On your Facebook profile, click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Get down to settings and privacy. Click on settings. From settings, click on your password and security. Click on change password. It's a good idea to use a strong password that you are not using elsewhere. Make sure you are not using this password elsewhere. You input the correct password. Next is the new password you want to change. The next one is to retype the new password you want to change and click update. I'll be doing that right away. Here they are. The password I'm using currently, the new one I want to change, and I will type it again. Then click update password. The old password, the new one you want, make sure you retype it. Password changed. If you think someone else might have known your old password, it's a good idea to log out of any other phones and computers and check for recent changes to your account. If you want to review other devices where you must have logged in with this password, you click here. If you want to stay logged in, you click here or you can continue. This is how you can change your password on Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.